The best mechanical keyboard switches is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious gamer or typist. When picking mechanical keyboard switches, it's important to consider factors such as actuation force, tactile feedback, and noise level. These elements can greatly impact your typing experience and overall satisfaction with your keyboard. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 mechanical keyboard switches and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. GATERON G Pro Yellow. Looking for a budget-friendly linear switch option? The GATERON G Pro Yellow switches might be just what you need. With a variety of lineups and versions, including Yellow Ink, Yellow Cap V2, KS8 Yellow, and more, GATERON's yellow switches offer plenty of options to choose from. While there are minor differences between the various models, they all share characteristics like lightweight actuation, smoothness, and a quiet but pleasant sound profile. The G Pro Yellow switches are one of the latest versions made from new molds with tighter tolerances, ensuring quality and consistency in their stems and housings. These switches are pre-lubed from the factory, making them a convenient choice for a no-fuss installation in your budget build. What we like. For a linear switch at a budget price point, we recommend these switches. They are one of the most recent versions made from new molds with tighter tolerances for their stems and housings. If you are looking for a no-fuss pick that is pre-lubed and smooth feeling, you should consider these. What people say. These yellow switches are so much nicer. They have no spring noise, a much nicer weight to them, and are very smooth. The tactile bump is there but feels quite smooth compared to other tactile switches I've tried. These made a night and day difference. Super light, very responsible and smooth, no need to lube. Number 4. GATERON Ink Black V2. Looking for a linear switch with a fluid actuation feel and smooth operation? The GATERON Ink Black V2 is a top choice for custom keyboard enthusiasts. Enjoy a quieter typing experience with the GATERON Ink Black V2, known for its deep and rich sound profile that won't disturb those around you. Although slightly wobbly, the GATERON Ink Black V2 can easily be stabilized with switch films, enhancing the overall typing experience. Join the ranks of custom keyboard enthusiasts who swear by the enduring favorite GATERON Ink Black V2 for its exceptional performance. For a reliable and smooth typing experience, the GATERON Ink Black V2 is our top recommendation for most people seeking linear switches. What we like. The best linear switches we recommend for most people. These switches are some of the smoothest switches you can find right out of the box. If you are looking for a smooth and quiet typing experience, you should consider these. What people say. These are not good out of the box, but if you have the time and patience to lube and film these, they will sound and feel better than any pre-lubed switch I have tried. Tip: disassemble them in bulk, bag lube the springs, put the springs on the bottom housing and then lube the stem generously on all contact points. Here you can choose to film them. I recommend a thin film like Duroc 0.125 mm, but the keys 0.3 mm also fit decently well. No need to lube the bottom housing. No mod necessary. Number 3. AKKO V3 Cream Blue Pro. Looking for a budget-friendly tactile switch option? AKKO V3 Cream Blue Pro switches are here to deliver a satisfying typing experience without breaking the bank. With a dust-proof stem cover for enhanced stability while typing, these switches offer a reliable performance with every keystroke. Pre-lubed from the factory, these switches provide a smooth and consistent feel right out of the box, perfect for a hassle-free build. While these switches may produce a louder and higher-pitched sound compared to others, they offer a unique typing experience that stands out from the rest. For those willing to put in the effort, lubing these switches can help improve smoothness and adjust the sound profile to suit your preferences. What we like. For a budget tactile option, we recommend these switches. They come pre-lubed from the factory, making them fairly smooth feeling right out of the box. If you like a tactile feel with a bit of noise, you should consider these. What people say. In regards to a light tactile switch that is very smooth right out of the box, they can't be beat. The sound is the one thing that may catch people off guard. It's a great switch, just know exactly what you're getting into. Number 2. KAILH Box Jade Switches. Experience a satisfying tactile feedback with a snappy action that feels responsive and precise. Enjoy a loud and resonant click sound on both the downstroke and upstroke for an immersive typing experience. Ensure good stability with a dustproof stem design that enhances the overall durability of the switches. Personalize your typing experience by lubing the switches to reduce ping and high-pitched notes for a smoother feel. Delight in the weighty feel of the switches, providing a satisfying typing experience that may not be suitable for everyone. What we like. For clicky devotees, we recommend these switches. They have a click bar design that creates a loud and deeply resonant click. If you enjoy a clicky and tactile typing experience, you should consider these. What people say. KAILH Box Navy switches are among the best clicky switches at the moment. The switches were sent in a hard plastic box and none of them was damaged. The box contained 93 switches, although the title says 90. I am quite happy with the purchase. These switches are fantastic and are definitely satisfying to type on. There is a distinct and sharp click on both the key press and key rise. The click is very early into the press, meaning you get immediate feedback. They don't feel scratchy and come packaged well. They would go great in a mechanical keyboard, but if you're planning on using them in other applications, the box around the stem may cause issues. Amazing switches, no complaints there. One thing to note is that, unlike the Box Jades, Box Navies have a click thock rather than a click, so if you're coming from browns and like thoxier switches, Box Navies are for you. One thing to note is that the Box Navies requires quite a bit of actuation force to be compressed, which can over time be tiring for some. Number 1. Cherry MX Speed Silver. Looking for gaming switches that are fast and lightweight? These switches are some of the fastest and most lightweight feeling options available. The simplicity of these switches is what sets them apart. While they may not come pre-lubed, they are a top choice for fast-paced or competitive games. However, the super light actuation force of these switches can be a downside for those who tend to accidentally keystroke or rest their fingertips on keycaps. For a tactile option, consider checking out KAILH Speed Copper switches. They offer high-end latency performance with an early tactile bump. What we like. The best gaming switches we recommend for most people. They are some of the fastest and most lightweight feeling switches available, making them an obvious choice for playing fast-paced or competitive games. If you are into fast-paced gaming and need lightweight switches, you should consider these. What people say. Really great quality. I was used to less force as I pressed my keys, but nothing to worry about. The switches are smooth and silent. They make no clicking noise. Cherry claims they are their fastest full-height switch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.